Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this eye-opening video, we delve into the potential toxicity lurking in your yoga mat and how it can impact your health. Join us as we uncover the hidden dangers of certain yoga mats and share essential tips to ensure a safe and non-toxic practice. Did you know that many yoga mats on the market today contain harmful chemicals such as phthalates, PVC, and latex? These toxic substances can be absorbed through your skin and inhaled during your yoga sessions, posing risks to your overall well-being. But don't worry, we're here to help you make informed choices and protect your health. In this video, we'll discuss the key factors to consider when selecting a non-toxic yoga mat. From eco-friendly materials to certifications like Ecotech Standard 100 and GOTS, we'll guide you through the essential criteria for a safe and sustainable mat. Additionally, we'll provide alternative options for those concerned about the environmental impact of traditional yoga mats. Discover eco-conscious alternatives such as natural rubber, cork, and organic cotton, which not only benefit your health but also contribute to a greener planet. Your yoga practice should be a nurturing and empowering experience, free from harmful substances. Join us on this journey to ensure that your yoga mat supports your well-being and aligns with your values. Subscribe now and be well informed about the potential toxicity in yoga mats, empowering yourself to make the right choices for your health and the environment.